All right, everyone, report. What do we have?
Okay, I have a military couple coming in from overseas and we're set to close in 2 days, but I just got a phone call and it looks like the kitchen is flooded.
What's the damage?
Extent unknown, but it's not looking good.
Why don't you recommend one of our trusted super plumbers to swing into action?
So I just received a text message from one of my first-time home buyers. They said that they would like to see one of the properties on Gramercy.
Are they pre-approved?
It doesn't look like it.
You know who to send them to. Let's get them pre-approved and get them into that house that they want. What else do we have?
Well, we were set to close tomorrow, but my buyers just told me that they bought a new car to celebrate.
Well, we can't save them all. How's the squatter situation?
The house is free and clear. The house is free and clear.
So, just another Tuesday then, huh? I think we can handle that. Hi, Signature Choice Realty. This is Janice. How can I help you today?